Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today it's a very special day and it's a good day. You know why? Because she's cooking. Me? I didn't come here to cook, I came here to eat. You're cooking. I mean, I thought you came all the way here to do that, but I guess I have to do it. I have to do everything around this house. Today we're gonna be making a staple in the Dominican house, which is Mangu with tres golpes. So anyways, typically in Mangu and tres golpes, it's the plantains mashed, fried salami, fried onion, and fried egg. Sometimes you add cheese. In this case, we're lactose intolerant in this house, so we are not eating cheese. It is what it is, but with the program. So yeah, I'm gonna swing you around. I'm gonna show you what the ingredients are, and then we're gonna get to cooking because it's 7 o'clock already. We gotta eat. Cut. Okay, so the ingredients I have here to make the mangu are obviously a plantain. This is a staple for a Dominican, or anybody who loves really good food. This is it. And then also a red onion, salami, some butter, and eggs. For the seasoning, adobo, goya, some fancy antsy avocado oil from Trader Joe's, because you know we're bougie in this house. I mean, I'm not an expert, so don't quote me on it. But the way that I cut a plantain is like this. Got to cut this. Then I use a little bit like this and then kind of lift it away. You hear that? And then with my hands, I'll just go in there. And there you go. Plantain. Okay, so let me get my fancy caldero right here. And that goes in there with the other 6. Let me put you down. That's one. Okay, that's it on that. All right, now that these are all peeled, you're gonna chop them up, and we're gonna dump them in here. Okay? You know what I'm saying? You know, you're gonna chop, 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 and then that's it. There you have it. And we are gonna dump this right over here. Let's go add some water to this. This is what it's gonna look like, and this is gonna go on high heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. There you go. I like to add a little bit of salt, but little, you know, goes a long way. It's up to your taste buds, honestly. That's a good amount. While we have the plantains going right now, we're gonna focus on cutting up the onions and the salami. I forgot to say one thing is that you have to marinate the onions in. You have to marinate the onions in vinegar. This time I'm gonna be using rice vinegar. You can use whatever vinegar you like. It's up to you. We have to leave it marinating at least for, you know, for the time remaining that we're cooking. So let's do that. So far, And this is gonna be the onion that I showed earlier that I'm gonna be using. So yeah, okay, here we got the onion. Now we're gonna use some vinegar, a generous amount, and some salt. Again, also a generous amount. I'm gonna toss this around, and this, as I am cooking everything else, I'm going to be moving it. Oh, my bad. I made extra onions just in case, so. Okay, so set it and forget it. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is cut up the salami. I want this one, slice it right there, and then with 2 fingers. I'm not gonna tell you measure it because I wouldn't know how to say that, like an inch, a half an inch. I don't know about measurements. I do it like yay big, like this. Don't ask me for measurements, don't ask me for directions, don't ask me for name of things. I'm not good at any of that stuff. Like, be like, yeah, it was that one. Yeah, this and that. Yeah. That's all I can say. But let me see. 3, 6, 9, yes. I'm going to do about 10 rounds of it. Then put this one away. And let's get to making this. So it turns out that I had the wrong pot out. My bad. So this is the frying pan. We're going to put it on medium heat. Wrong one. Medium heat. And we're going to be using the avocado oil. Popping bottles today. Okay, so avocado oil. Just that in there. Good amount. And let that warm up. Rub it around the pot. Anticipate it. Hold that button. Okay, medium heat, and then you're just gonna throw those suckers in there to fry up. There you go. I'll do about 2 minutes in each side, and then I'll check back up with you in a second. Okay, so these are ready to come out. I'm not gonna bring the camera over here because it's splashing, but in a small plate with some napkin on it so it can absorb the oil, we're gonna take it out. They look like that. Once these have finished cooking, I'm gonna clean up the pan, and then we're gonna cook the onions. Because the last thing we want to do is the eggs, because you know those, you can't warm those up after you're done. So I'm gonna cook all these, and then I'll come back to you in a little bit. I took out the salami, and then I kind of threw out the oil, but I didn't wash it because I want all those little like brownie bits in there. I'm gonna turn this on, and we're gonna throw inside the marinated, basically, you know, onions, and we're gonna cook that. I want it on low heat because, yeah, I don't want to burn it. And I'm gonna slow cook these until they're like nice and soft, you know. I like a little bit of crunch in there, so I'm not gonna cook them fully. And in the meantime, I'm gonna wash this because I'm gonna put it right back in here. I'm trying to do this as fast as possible because my camera is dying. The steam? Yeah. The plantains are ready, so I'm gonna take them out. Steamed up. Let me put you down. This is about 2 tablespoons of butter in there. We got milk. I'm using A2 milk because, again, we are lactose free in here. A lot of milk. And then, okay, and now we go to town. Let's mash this up and I'll be right back. After it's been mashed up, you're gonna have something that looks like this. I'm gonna put this in the microwave and then we're gonna get to cooking the eggs. All right, so since my batter is dying, I just wanted to come by and say, I can't teach you how to cook an egg, so that's gonna be done off camera, unfortunately. And I'm gonna come back after my camera has charged a little bit and show you the final results of everything once I put everything together. So sorry, I didn't mean to. But it's the truth though. Like, if you don't know how to fry an egg, I'm not the right person to teach you. Great, so everything's ready now. All I have to do is plate. So let's get to doing that. Let's go. You're gonna start off with the plantains, the mangu. A generous amount. And the sauteed onions. Salami. And lastly, we're gonna do the eggs. Carefully, because you have a runny yolk in there. And that's it. This is what it looks like. And when you cut into the yolk, see? Anyways, that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. I am ready to go eat dinner. I hope you guys enjoy it. As usual, don't forget to come back to Laura's restaurant. We're here sometimes during the week when I feel like it, or when somebody else comes over to cook. But anyways, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Always come back. I'm always here every Tuesday and Thursdays. And yeah, I hope you like it. And that's it for today. Thank you. Bye.